Hi, I'm Jane Taylor. I'm leading a writing workshop for women over 50 called Empowering Your Future. And I've been asked to explain how can writing possibly do that? My one word answer is science. Writing about your future creates new neural pathways in the brain that make enacting your envisioned future easier because in your brain, you've already done it. So let's do it. It's going to be fun. Join me for a 90-minute workshop that will make your future more accessible, more dynamic, and most importantly, more fun. We're going to have writing prompts, we're going to have discussion, and I'm excited. I think it's going to be a great 90 minutes. See you soon.